back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dudes and dudettes, and those in between, and those who are still finding themselves. You tuned in to Channel 260. You watching Straight Up and Down. My name is Otis Lash, Otto April, Mfana Kampingo, Mawawa. I'm with Umalbongo, aka Ulondo Mbande, and my homeboy from Etinaga, Uluyolo. I almost said Uloyiso. Uluyolo, Umfana, Kumkana Kakunta. Yeah, mangathi umfana kaqonda kumkani uqonda. Yes. Please go to our page on YouTube, which is Straight Up and Down. Straight Up and Down. Subscribe, like, comment, leave something, man. Tell them what you're doing now.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, let's get straight into second topic. There's a phenomenal, if I may, that is happening that I see, and Ian Podarisha sometimes, yeah. I feel like local brands, like there's a lot of local brands that are coming, which is a good thing. Black entrepreneurs that are rising, which is a good thing. But now I see most of the time, like you get a brand that is still new. Fumasibaba, prices are way the charge more than prices the brands that have been here for years that stood the test of time.
Yeah.
Do you think that local brands are extorting us as the consumer? That's the question.
Look, yo, bro. Ilanoke topic topic dala ithetho la. Everywhere you go la. Like abantu, they're always complaining about okay, umntu yakwazi just to give you ilanoka t-shirt ebhalwe H. Yabo. A t-shirt mhlawumbe ide 70 rand and then I think mhlawumbe nge 450. Ibhalwe nje H, there's nothing special about it la. Yabo. Xa singena nyani topic, I would say, look, amajita nosisi bethu no bayasishaya kodwa. Bayasishaya. Look, I think mna inoba mhlambi yenziwa yinto mhlambi uzothi kungayithembi mhlambi ibrand yakho uba izokwazi like you said to stand the test of time. Mhlambi you just want to make a quick buck ngoku. Yabo, before iphelelwe ibrand yakho, you know about okay, no, ilanuka imali endispend leyo to ukwenza le brand sendiyibuyisile. Yabo, mhlawumbe ufuna ukubuyisa back very fast imali ayilanikileyo. Ukubona lawe like no man, you can't uthi mhlawumbe wenza iketile. Uthi qiqi iketile ye 4,000. Kube kukho iketile ze $100 that have stood the test of time lawe. I mean bandly neketile 100 rand and ithenge kwezinye shop lawe. Isekhona nangoku 3 years isasebenza.
Look, man.
And azi noba yenziwa yintoni. And look, but bakhona ke abantu abangasi lanki abangasibethiyo lawe, like they do proper research lawe ba okay i-market value yento ethile ithini. Ezinye i-brands zicharge malini for into ethile. Yabo, like dude, you can't come here with a pair of jeans ungixelele ba uthunge apha next endlini ungixelele ba ngizoyithenga ngelantuka mhlawumbe nge-4,000 okanye 5,000 rands a pair of jeans. Ndibe xa nisiya ngaba kwi-retail stores ndithenga nge-700 kanye even less.
Sure.
Yabo, dude, thengisele mhlawumbe nge-650 or something so that ningazuya pha kweza retail.
Yeah. Joe dog, there's two issues kule way ne. One, bona la way for entrepreneurs esanungena ke market, issue ye pricing is always a problem. You don't know bana le nduka ukuyo, le market ukuyo, izinto zichargewa i-pricing points zakho will always have to be determined by the market plus le nduka ne cost. How much does it cost when to produce the product unayo yabo? Then ufumane low way and understand by market charge kana wifake as markup yakho, then charge. It is very process is very intricate yabo to get to pricing points as proper. Yabo, abantu ngasebenza research bazo understand bana i-profit funeka ibe ngakanani, ungathi ungafuni uzane ngele nge profit margins as ridiculous yabo.
You know your target market. Maybe those people are not extorting abantu. They have a target market. It's just not their target market. It's not that their product. Yeah, it's not that their products are expensive. You just broke. When you cannot afford, you're not the target market. So if you cannot afford it, just sit your butt home Yeah, well, because when you do a product, nobody don't know a product yako, nobody service that orendarisha you abantu they don't buy sometimes they buy the value of that product. One, so abanye abantu they put a value on a product. So when if baba you cannot match that value, you do not afford it. Just kick rocks. Keep it moving. Go to your broke friends. Now I mean not desire a product. Yeah, but
Yo, check it out. This is still straight up and down. We'll see you at the other side of this. Peace.
Peace and love, my people.